Hello students, welcome. So I'm thinking to make this class a revision class because since the start we have done so many words related to the family and relations. These words are, I think, easy to write, and then if we repeat them, this could be a good vocab lesson for you as well. So before that, let's revise what we have on the whiteboard, and then we will start the lesson. We have the n, h, s, v, o, and then j. Fine. Now the n, h, s, b, and j are the consonants, and then we have a vowel matra o, matra. The same sound that we have in dog, the short o sound. Fine. I'm going to write the words now. Try to read them, and then I will give the pronunciation, and in the end I will give the meanings. First word, second word, is is papa, dada, and dadi. Okay, let's pronounce them. K with a matra, then k with a matra, kaka. K with a matra, then k with long e matra, kaki. Ch, a, then ch with a, chacha. Ch with a and ch with e, chachi. Ma, ma. Then we have ma, me. Po, sorry, yes, po, pota. Then poti. Nana. Then we have nani. Okay. And papa, da, then we have di. Find the pronunciation. Now, kaka and chacha are synonyms. Kaki and chachi are synonyms. Uncle, paternal, aunt, paternal. These are synonyms. So, uncle, paternal, aunt, paternal. Uncle, mama is uncle but maternal. Aunt, maternal. Grandson, and we have grand daughter. Nana is grandfather, maternal. Grandmother, maternal. Then father. Have Dada, grandfather, paternal. Then Dadi, grandmother, paternal. Fine. Hello students. So in this class you are going to learn how to write the words such as Japan, jail, Joker, and Taj Mahal. Yes, you guessed it right. This class we are going to do the alphabet J of English. So let's start the class. But before that, let's revise what we have on the whiteboard. We have 6 consonants on the whiteboard, and these are T, N, H, S, B, and J. The vowel matra that we have on whiteboard is O. The short O sound that we have, the word dog. Now, how do we draw the alphabet J? First, draw the horizontal line, then the vertical line cutting in the middle, then again a very short horizontal line cutting the vertical line in the middle, and the letter C facing upwards, like this. Or you can write like this, left to right. Fine. English equivalent is J, the same pronunciation that we have in the English word jug. Now, combination of J with the vowel matras, J with A, Ja, J with E, G, J with A, J, and J with O, Jo. A matra, E matra, A matra, and O matra. Fine. Few words. Japan with A matra. Japan, the country. Then we have Joker. Joker will be written like this. Joker. Joker. Then we have jail. Jail. Then we have Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, the most famous monument of Indian tourism map. Taj Mahal. Then we have judge, the simplest one, judge. Then we have jeet. Jeet is victory. You see, we have practiced with all the vowel matras: Japan, Joker, jail, Taj Mahal, judge, jeet. How many words we did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did 6 words. Okay. So hello students, welcome again. So this class is going to be a very special class because till now we have learned all the vowels in their matra forms, and now this time, the first time, we are going to learn the vowels in its independent or full form. Before we start our lesson, let's revise what we have on the whiteboard. Okay, let's go to whiteboard. The first consonant that we have is the, then n, h, the, b, j, and j, as in change or chat. Fine. Now, what's the difference between independent form or full form or matra form? We will see in this class. Let's draw first the first vowel of our class. The first vowel that we are going to learn is a. How do we draw this? Horizontal line. Number 3, a vertical line to the right, then both are connected through a horizontal line. Fine? How do we pronounce this? Short U sound that we have in cut, cut, sun, that sound, cut, shut, sun, that sound is exactly this pronunciation for in the fine. Now let's make few words with a with b, ab. Ab is now. A with s and li, asli. Asli is real. Then we have achar. Achar, achar. Achar is pickle. Right? Now, this is the only vowel that does not have a matra form, because you know, if I put ch with a, it remains ch because it does not bring any change to the pronunciation of ch. Ch, ch. It remains the same. Now, what is a matra exactly? When we put matra, we are putting the vowel as a symbol on a consonant, right? So when ch plus a does not exist or does not work together, then there is no need to put a matra here, you know. That's why a does not have a matra form. Okay, no need to put any symbol because it does not work, does not coordinate with the consonants. Fine. Now this is very interesting how a behaves with other matras. A with a matra becomes a. So in a way, a is also an independent form. Okay. Now can we make few words with a? Aaj. Aaj is today. Then we have aam. Aam is mango. Now we know a in full form is written like this, and a in its symbol form, when it's placed with a consonant, it's written just a vertical line. Fine. Now the third one, a plus a matra, they do not work together. Okay. A is written in some way very differently from this. This is not the way to write A. Does A work with E? No. Same thing. E is written, long E in its full form is written very differently. A with O matra, yes, it works. And this gives our third independent form, O. So O in its full form is written like this, and its matra form is written like this. Fine. Now Suppose I want to know, I want to write the word Oman. Oman is written like this, O-Ma-N. In its independent form, O. But in its matra form, it is written like this. After M, we put the matra O becomes Mo, and then with K, again we put the matra of O, Monaco. Fine? That's the difference. A matra is a symbol which is placed after the consonant, for the consonant, below the consonant, or there are several ways to denote a matra. Now, what we learned in this lesson, we know how to write A, we know how to write A, and we know how to write O. E, A, they do not exist. Now we know three vowels in their full forms. A does not have a matra. A, when it is placed in the starting of a word, it will be written in its full form, but it has a matra. Then we have O, its full form written like this, and then with matra written like this. So when O will be the starting of a word, done like this. Okay, fine. So I hope this is clear for you. Should I give you more examples? For example, or is written like this, or two words. Os is written like this. Os is give. So this is how we write three independent forms of three vowels, A, and O. Out of these three, two have matra forms like this, we have already done, and A plus E or A plus A, not A. They are written very differently. We are going to do them in a different class. Till then, practice, and I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.